Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So yes, this is actually MetaTrader 5. This is actually MetaTrader 5. It does look like another trading platform, a trading view. I don't know who's copying who, but definitely this is MetaTrader 5. How did I get this particular effect on MetaTrader 5? That's what we're going to talk about in this quick video. You know, MetaTrader 5 is the future of the MetaTrading platform, and it seems the guys at MetaQuartz are really busy trying to enhance the trading platform, maybe to try and compete with the guys like TradingView and all the other platforms that are out there, regardless of what happened recently with the Apple Store and stuff like that. But yeah, they are still working on this, by the way. They are still working on this, by the way. These are some new features that they recently added in September, just end of September, end of September. These are some of the features that they've been adding to this platform. So who knows? Maybe in the end, it's probably going to look like TradingView, or TradingView is going to look like MetaTrader 5. I don't know. I don't know. But seems like somebody is copying somebody. But definitely, if you are somebody who is familiar with TradingView, MetaTrader 5 here really does look like somebody is taking notes from TradingView. Don't copy me on that. Don't quote me on that. Actually, so yeah. So this is MetaTrader 5, and it's good to use. For example, here you can have your terminal. Well, this is a demo. This demo, I haven't plugged in my real account on this actual computer, so I just wanted to make this video for you guys, just to show you. And there's a calendar setting. It should show calendar events here, just like you have on TradingView. I don't know why it's not doing that on this particular machine, but on my other machine with a bigger screen, it's actually showing the calendar events. So I don't know why it's doing that on this machine. Here is actually history, your trading history. You can get that here, and here you can get your message board that you get on MetaTrader 5. Then what I think I love about this, besides having a few like TradingView, which I do use for analysis most of the time, some of the time, is I think the usability of it. Let's just do that. You can see it almost like has a trading view of feel, and unlike the desktop MetaTrader 5, here you can actually zoom out and zoom in more, almost like you do on a trading view. Like I said, I'm just mentioning trading view. I don't know who's copying who and stuff like that, so don't copy me on that. So you can also use these zoom in buttons, or you can use your mouse to scroll in and out of this. And here is calendar. Like I said, I don't know why it's not showing on this particular laptop, but on a bigger iMac that I have, it's actually showing. Here is the market watch. It's there. It's gone. Then here you can actually do your orders. You can actually trade on this. You can actually trade on this. You can see a buy limit that you can place here, or you can actually move it like that. And of course, now it's red because you cannot have buy limits on top of the price. The buy limit needs to be below the now it's sell limit, but we had a buy limit there. But anyway, so here you can actually choose the orders that you want to do with that, then set everything up, and you can actually place an order. Like just like you do on your desktop MetaTrader 5. And here you can have your actually your market execution buttons. You can set your lot sizing here. This is a buy, this is a sell button. Here you can just remove it if you want a cleaner chart. And of course, this is your timelines, and this is tick volume. You can do that, and it's gone. You can do that. Now it's back. Volumes, really, it's up to you. I don't know what you use in your trading, but like what I said, it kind of has a trading view feel. Then here you can actually have the candlesticks, uh, or you can use the line graph. It looks fancy, more fancier than you have on the desktop versions of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But for those who love to use the line chart, then here are those traditional bars. You can basically play with this and decide. I know most people prefer to use Japanese candlesticks. Then, of course, if we start here, we've got depth of market like that. Here we've got managing drawings. If you have any drawings in there, here you can lock your objects, whatever objects that you have on the chart. Here you can show them and hide them. This is Fibonacci. Like I said, there is not yet a lot of stuff here because these guys are still working on this thing. But I guess they're going for the trading view experience with this. So here you can actually search for more tools. Just search for more tools using these arrows at the bottom of whatever here, and you can have your arrows. You can have what? Let's see what else we can do. You can have info line and whatever. And after doing all this fancy stuff, you can always what? You can always save the chat image, and what, and you can send it to your Telegram or your WhatsApp and your Facebook, your Twitter, and stuff like that after doing your own analysis here. And people are probably not going to see the difference between TradingView and MetaTrader 5. This is MetaTrader 5. Let me show you. This is MetaTrader 5. It's called actually MetaTrader 5 Web Terminal. Uh, let's do this. Let's get out of full screen. This is full screen, by the way. If we get out of full screen, so this is MetaTrader 5, the web terminal. MetaTrader 5 web terminal, and you can actually trade on this. You can trade on this. You just come here and trading account, connect to trading account. There you put in your trading account, your password, obviously then you find your safer from your broker, and you simply what, you connect the accounts together, and you can basically start trading with this MetaTrader 5 web terminal. I know some people are not aware of this, that's why I'm just putting it out there. Here you can switch over between the dark theme and the light theme, just like you have on TradingView. So you decide on what works for you, what's good on your eyes. Sometimes people don't want things that are bright, and people want what, the dark theme that is easier on the eyes. So that's how you do that. And then here you can actually remove the grid, or if you want it, this is without the grid. Let's hide these objects. This is without the grid, and that's with a grid. If you want it, there you can set your trading history. You can trade positions and stuff like that. Like I said, I think they are still working on enhancing this. Some of these things that you're actually seeing on here, they were actually added recently in September. So yeah, I don't know who's copying who, TradingView and MetaTrader. It's up to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. But I thought, let me just bring this to your attention, that if you love that TradingView feel with your MetaTrader 5, there's MetaTrader terminal. Just go to the mql5.com website and go to web terminal. Then you can get this thing. Then you simply trade the same way you would trade if you wanted to use TradingView. If you have any questions regarding this, or if you have any thoughts regarding this, Yeah, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try my best to try and answer them. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.